at night. A journey on an apparently deserted road can quickly turn into a nightmare. Today I will present you some terrifying cases of this kind that remain unexplained. In February 2018, a motorcyclist posted a terrifying video captured by his GoPro. He was heading to a wedding when around 10 p.m., he took a shortcut without knowing he would encounter something paranormal.
Oh fuck.
Many claim that this ghost is real because it had no shadow. What's your opinion? In November 2018, a sinister woman was seen in the middle of a pedestrian crossing in a city in Japan. The person filming was stupefied when they noticed that the stranger had no intention of leaving, despite the pedestrian light turning red. In 2016 in Thailand, a mysterious video of a person dressed in white using a stick to walk strangely in the middle of the road went viral on social media. Some argue it wasn't a ghost, just a lost old man. Nonetheless, encountering this figure at night while driving would be terrifying. In 2008, this video abruptly ends and shows the last thing left after the disappearance of 4 people. While on a road in Colombia, they saw a terrifying bride waving to them. The identity of this frightening figure remains unknown, and the case remains unsolved. During a nighttime journey, a driver encountered a strange man waiting by the roadside at 9 p.m.
Like this or be like this. See if you guys can see it with the light down there. Oh no, still too far. I'm getting on the road here by it and I don't see nothing still. Let's zoom it out. Where the fuck is it? Where did they go? I don't know where they went. What the fuck? He's standing like under the sign over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. He's legit like standing under that sign right there. Just like right there on the side of the road. What the fuck is that? Do you see that right there? Do you see that? Who the fuck? But they got like some weird mask or something on. What the hell is that? What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck?
Some believe that the unknown individual was a demon, but most likely, it was just a masked person with dubious intentions, possibly intending to rob the person filming. In 2004, a group of young people was driving on a road considered haunted. The driver exited the car and began running ahead for fun, while his friends urgently called him back as an unknown vehicle approached, turning on its headlights. Soon, they realized they were being pursued.
Oh my God, get in the car, get in the car, get in the car. Go. Wow, he is coming really fast. All we saw was like a streak of blue, and then all of a sudden you saw the headlights. This is a car that up our moment. We're pretty pissed at this point.
What is this? Oh, turn off.
Oh my god, they turned off their lights. They're blinking their lights at us.
Maybe they're calling for help, John.
Oh my god, they turned them off again. Now they turned them back on. Oh my god, I'm f***ing flipping. That's it, I'm flipping. I'm flipping. I am rolling tape. I am rolling tape. I am rolling tape.
Roll tape.
I am rolling tape.
Bitch. Are you trying to flash me?
Down the aisle!
Get it on tape. Get it on tape. You're safe. Oh my god. You shut up! What do you want with
The car behind us is gone. It disappeared.
10:34 p.m. We are headed north on Clinton Road. Alright, we were going south, but unfortunately I thought I left my wallet when I went to do that stunt. So we made a U-turn, and once we made the U-turn, I went to do the stunt again. Then I hear Tina yelling, "There's a car coming, there's a car coming." So I get back in the car, and I start driving. About a minute later, the car behind me is flashing its headlights on and off, numerous times every second. That's a distress signal.
In the 1990s, several police departments received messages describing a new initiation ritual in criminal groups. New recruits had to drive at night with their headlights off. If a vehicle coming from the opposite direction flashed its headlights to warn them that their lights were off, they had to chase that vehicle to kill its driver. It was a test of loyalty, and if it ended successfully, the accomplice became an official member of the group. The situation might have taken a darker turn if the young people hadn't fled and joined the deadly pursuit. On December 17, 2008, 4 boys were found dead in their car near an abandoned farm. At least that's the story portrayed in the footage one of them recorded that night. The footage was brought to the public's attention with the consent of their parents. Watching the video, we learned the following. The 4 youths got lost. Shortly after, they encountered a tunnel. A sign read, "No Through Road." Above, an abandoned farm was advertised. Suddenly, a terrifying man materialized out of nowhere, and their car came to life.
Turn the bloody lights on!
The boy holding the camera managed to escape, but was captured.
Oh shit!
The police later discovered that someone had actually been living in the abandoned farm. Can we please get 100 likes on this video? Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. See you again next time.